Okay, we're back. Another day. Me and Karina, me and Banana.
Yeah.
We're gonna hang out all morning, and I'm so excited to do this because we haven't done this for a really, really long time.
I know. I feel like
Forever. Because I've been traveling so much for work, and Karina is so independent. There's other people like Little D and Vanessa that require way more time from me in order to do their job. Karina, on the other hand, is very chill and very independent. So that's why we haven't spent a lot of time in the last little while. But this morning we're gonna go to 2 sites. We've got 2 restaurant projects that we're working on. So Down to Earth is a vegan restaurant. Karina has been overseeing the construction, so this is actually my first time on site. And then around the corner, we're working on another restaurant called Haven. I haven't been on site since they've started construction either.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 restaurants in Langley, but we're gonna go check out both of those sites this morning.
Yay.
I will say there's a lot of fun music in the 80s and the 90s and the early 2000s, but I love 80s. It's like, it's happy music.
It is very happy music.
It just reminds me of movies like, I don't know, Top Gun, or I don't know if that's an 80s movie, but you know, just like you're excited to go to work.
You're like bopping.
It's your new jam. Oh,
80s.
should I put in 80s music in the new YouTube videos now?
An 80s beat. Yeah, you never know. It could work. I'm open to anything, you know that. So we're just outside of our Down to Earth site. The restaurant, it's a smaller restaurant, 1,500 square feet, so it's not a huge restaurant. Good morning. The floors look so good. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? I love the palette.
It's refreshing, right? A little bit.
Yeah,
So fresh.
but still very current.
Yeah.
So this is looking really amazing.
Yeah, it's all coming together. Good.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Can't wait for it to
To be done soon? Yeah? You're not stressed?
I'm okay. I feel like I'm okay.
You feel like you're okay, okay. Okay, okay. You're accepting the process. Yeah. That's good. That's the best attitude our clients could have. I'm just going with it.
Just rolling.
Well, I have to say these floors look really good.
They look awesome.
Because what we want to do is just make sure that we do a proper walkthrough. So final coat of paint. So baseboards need to be caulked. Hardware needs to be installed. The clear coat on the wood. These tiles look great.
Yeah, they do look really good.
So Karina, I really like what you did here with the change in the pattern.
Yeah.
That detail is really cool.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Turned out well. I love the ceilings. Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't even look up yet.
I know. I love the ceiling. Great. Your smell?
Is the mirror centered on this?
It doesn't seem like
It's not on center.
bad or hot, right?
Yeah. kind of want to hold this up with a sconce beside it. Do you think we should move it in? I'm gonna trade you. Can you hold the mirror?
Yeah.
Okay, I got this. Whoa! Okay, Karina, you hold this quickly and then we're gonna swap. It's almost like it needs to move an inch. Is it worth it? You stand back.
Okay.
Is that better?
An inch is good. I think an inch is good. Okay.
Okay, so an inch.
Okay.
They're gonna hate us.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Please move it 1 inch. I want to write that down.
You know what? It's a little detail, but it's important.
Right? It's very
Yes, it's
important.
important. So this is 18 on center right now. So we want them to be 17 on center. So we'll issue a sketch after this. Okay, decided. Yeah, well the shingles look really good. They're diamond shaped, custom shingles made by hand, each one, a lot of work. Yeah, I'm not super loving the end result of the plaster.
Subtle.
It almost looks like, why did we do that? What was the original idea here?
We'll just do this warm area, which is fine.
Yeah, like gray or white?
It was going to be kind of like an off-white.
Yeah.
Not bright white, but more of like a cream off-white. And he had agreed on like a really, really textured, like rough, kind of gritty finish. And then now it just seems too smooth.
You know what I'm thinking? I wonder if a solution, I'm wondering if we take like a light gray paint and dilute it so it's almost runny, and then we paint over top of it so that it kind of like gets in all of these. Paint almost like seeps into the cracks a little bit, and just like a quart of paint. Wonder if that's something that like we could even do. You know, sometimes with these things, it's like you try to tell a contractor how to do it or what to do, and it just doesn't, there's like a certain look that you're after, and you almost need to do it yourself. That's what I think. What do you think about that? I don't know. I don't know. Does that mean like, I don't like the idea. I don't like that idea that much.
So basically, so that it pops.
Yeah, I feel like I'm not.
Texture of it.
Do you? I'm not super happy with the texture because I feel like you can't see it
You want
enough.
it more textury? That's what we talked about.
Yeah,
like we had talked about.
it's something that we would just come in and do.
In worst case scenario, we just can't wait.
Yeah, if you don't like it, we just paint white. I think you would like it though. It'll look like it's supposed to be a textured wall. Right now it looks like they totally mucked up when they were mudding. We come and we just spend a day where we paint this out. We help place like plants, baskets. We just do kind of all the finishing touches. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I do think it needs more.
Okay.
Good job, Karina. Good job. I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
I really am. You've been doing a
Good.
great job.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm happy with it. It looks good.
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Great. Perfect.
Yay! I'm
Awesome.
gonna go quickly grab my stuff inside.
Okay. Yeah, it's looking really great.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? Like a long time.
Long time.
So-
But we're so close.
Yeah.
So second site visit in Langley. We're now in Langley proper, and we're going to Haven, the restaurant that we were telling you guys about. This whole concept is based on a secret haven. And you just said the square footage, 2,500 square feet, 2,600 square feet.
I think so, yeah.
So we're gonna meet the team and check up on progress. different. Whoa, hi.
Good.
Yo.
See you.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Hi, how are you? Good.
How are you?
Hello. So plumbing muffins are in progress. Electrical hasn't started.
Can't do electrical until after the team goes in, otherwise it's
Okay.
in the way.
Framing has started.
Framing is like 90, I'd say 90% done.
What I like, just even seeing the framing done, is that the room actually feels so much more intimate
Yeah.
and like manageable. It doesn't feel so like huge and cavernous. I like that there's a microwave on site. Very important piece of equipment to keep people going. It's great. The kitchen is huge. I find this often happens in restaurants when there's like a prominent chef who's also a big part of the restaurant. It's like the kitchen always gets like lots of real estate. This is the bar. From here to the top, is it about 23 feet? From here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks so good on that drawing. It looks great here. That's when I stand here and go, holy shit.
Is that way too big?
And I don't want it to look like a normal back bar.
So then the top of your bar is gonna go to that line.
That would be 2/3 of the room.
Does that just seem like too big? Did we get too excited? Can I hold her?
Yeah.
Can I? Herman?
You got a little venti. Go say hi.
Can I hold you?
Go say hello.
Drool all over you.
That's okay. Hi.
Go.
Oh, you are cute. Oh my god, her hair is so cute.
Quite red.
Oh,
Yeah, it is a little bit of red.
oh. Whoa, I love you. Hi. I do think that now that we're standing here, we maybe should lower the bar a little bit.
I would feel really good about spraying it on the wall before we
Make that.
yeah.
See, if you stand here and you look at the second line down, even if it was to that second line down, that's still a crazy tall bar.
As long as it's just a little bit more than the railing.
I think it needs to be more than that line still.
If you hold your arm there again, if you're sitting over here in the furthest corner, you're still gonna see the top of the bar. You think 2 feet? I don't think 2 feet is too much. Okay, well, let's think about that. So let's say you're the person in the chair and you can see,
Yeah, down, but you can't from that booth.
but you can't from the booth. Is that weird? Because if we were on a date and I'm sitting here and I can't see anything, but you can see everything, isn't that annoying?
Yeah, but if you're sitting
Totally.
down and it's only say 8 to 10 inches, I feel like
Yeah, that's not bad. Or the other thing is that you take the wall out, basically where the second post.
11 inches. Sit down. Wall squat.
I can still see.
Okay, hang on. Now that you're sitting there and we have railings and like, if you were there and you were wearing a skirt and I'm sitting in this chair,
That's a concern for sure.
I like,
Anywhere where it doesn't go, you can wear.
Any of these end tables.
I guess that's no different than like flying big.
Yeah.
what do you think?
Like how far?
Is it still kind of a cool experience that you go all the way around, you see everything, but when you sit down, it's a little bit more intimate.
Yeah.
Like if they're both concealed.
Yeah, if they both conceal, that's great. Yeah.
That's what I mean. It's
Yeah.
like we bring the wall out far enough so that when you're sitting in that chair, you're basically sitting against the wall and you can't see the bar.
Yeah. It's like a little cubby.
It's like a little cubby.
Yeah. Does that give you a great seat or a horrible seat? I think it would be weird because like on this side it's so open and then there's just like a small portion that's blocked off.
Yeah. You don't like the wall?
No, what's that?
You're leaning towards post.
I think I'm team post.
Your team post? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. I just wanted to throw it out there as an option.
No.
Yeah, like it's,
Good observation, stuff we haven't been looking at, so.
it's just like your experience when you're sitting up there, right? Do you want it to be more cozy or do you want it to be more open? So then the question is, how far out does the post go?
10 inches at most. Is at least a foot beyond it.
Like maybe just the depth of the back of the seat?
8 inches.
8 inches. I think we want 8. So I think we'll plan for drywall then. Early mid-September. We can pick colors next time we're here. I think that feels subtly Indian too. Like I kind of like it. Looking at this, I think it's way better. So much better. I feel like these two, yeah, maybe that's why I was thinking let's pull in some of the walnut to just make it feel a little bit more cohesive. I like the plaster a lot, but when you see it in a rendering like this with the ceiling, it almost feels like there could be something on this wall, like a print or a mural. So I think this looks really good. I think if we do some sort of fixture or play around with the ceiling, and we could think about too if we would just want to run a cove light. So that feels pretty good. I think we're kind of there. What about the blue room? This, for some reason, is like, okay, yeah, that looks good. And then seeing it here, there's something about it that feels young. Girls' room-esque, and that could be because this is showing like blue, almost purple, and then teal, whereas this is like not that.
Yeah.
And then even though I like these lights on here, when I see them here, I'm like, oh, is it starting to feel themey?
I would agree with that.
Yep.
So is this an opportunity for something just different? Just throwing this out there, and I love the ombre, but maybe this project is not where the ombre goes. What if these walls were like fabric panels? I'm just throwing it out there as an idea. I mean, we could start by changing out the lighting, doing these changes that we just talked about, and then looking at it again.
See how that goes?
Yeah. So I'm taking off a little bit early because I'm gonna try to make it to a yoga class before dinner tonight, which just sounds fabulous. Before I completely say goodbye, I want to tell you guys about my pendants because you guys ask me about my jewelry all the time. And Pamela Card is a Vancouver jewelry designer, and I just love her stuff. Her aesthetic is very old world inspired, old Roman, old European inspired pieces is how she makes her jewelry, and I just love that aesthetic so much. So I am currently wearing 2 pendants from her right now. I'm gonna link her in the description box in this video just because she's an awesome Vancouver designer. I love her jewelry pieces, and you guys should really know about Pamela Card. So whenever you guys see me wearing pendants, chances are they come from her. So I think that's it for today's video. It's a beautiful day in Vancouver. I'm gonna go enjoy the sun, drink some water, do some yoga, have a great evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Here's a sneak peek of what the private dining room looks like. Very cool. We're doing a little House of Bohn celebration. Good last few months, and it's summer, so we're out here drinking rosé and celebrating.